to be a good coworker, you got to strive to be at work every day and be on time. So to be a good coworker, you got to be at work every day and be on time. Now I'm going to talk to some of the school kids about this, because this is something that I believe that our school systems are failing you on. They're not teaching you how to be on time every day. So let's talk about the school system for a minute, okay? So every semester, most schools that I've looked at and been involved with gives a student at least 10 days that they can be absent in a 4-month period. They call them 9 weeks. You got 9 weeks, the first 9 weeks, second 9 weeks, and they call that a semester. And every school that I know of that I've been associated in gives you 10 days that you can be absent in 4 months. So if you take that 18 weeks and divide it up, it usually starts around August 1st, August 15th, and goes till December, 20th or something like that. So you got 4 months there, and they give you the opportunity to miss 10 days. To be absent from school for 10 days, and you still are able to pass, and it doesn't affect your grades any if you do all the work and you get an A and you still miss 10 days. Now it even goes further than that. They let you be tardy, which means being late to class. And most places that I've talked to and looked at their policies, they'll let you be late 3 times, and before they count that as an absence. That means that if you made it every day, but you could still be late 30 days, 30 times in 4 months. Okay, I'm going to tell you right now, that does not fly in industry. That does not fly in a job. That is not acceptable behavior. That is not something that you should do. It is not something that you can do at a job and expect to keep the job. You got to be at work when you're supposed to be there, and you got to be on time. That's your responsibility, and it goes back to doing your share of the work. If you're not there, other people are having to do the work that was there for you to do at that particular time, and that is not a good coworker. Being a good coworker is being there on time, being there every day you're supposed to be. Now, there's another drawback to that the schools are teaching you. You got all these breaks. You got fall break, It used to be, when I was going to school, and I know you hear this, but when I was going to school, there was no fall break. They had student-teachers meetings. They had them on Thursday night, and they had them on Friday night, okay? And then sometime or another, they said, okay, we're going to take Fridays off for students and teachers and parents that maybe work nights and they can't make that evening meeting. So we're going to take Fridays off so that we can schedule those meetings with the parents on Friday during the day. So they took Fridays off. That went by for a while, and then they started taking Thursdays off so that they could have the whole day for student-teachers meetings on Friday and Thursday evenings. And this last year, I found out that one of the schools closed down the whole entire week for fall break. All 5 days. That's October. Let's talk about Thanksgiving. Now, when I was a kid, we had Thanksgiving break, but it was Thursday, Friday. Thursday for Thanksgiving and Friday after. And sometime, and since I've graduated in 1984, they said, okay, we're going to take Wednesdays off. And here lately, I've been hearing that some of the schools are closing down the whole week, Monday through Friday for Thanksgiving, because, hey, the students ain't showing up anyway. But, why would they show up? They've got 10 days they can miss. So they can miss those 2 or 3 days, and it ain't going to affect the grade. So some of the instructors was trying to rebel against that, and they started giving, hard tests or whatever. And if you missed the test, you couldn't make it up on the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. But then they got into it with administration. You can't do that if they miss, and it's, excuse, you got to give them the time to make it up. Anyway, turned out to be a big mess. So they just started dismissing the whole week of Thanksgiving. So now you got fall break that you're missing, and you got Thanksgiving break that you're missing. And then you come around to Christmas break, and you get 2, sometimes almost 3 weeks for Christmas break. Okay, so here it is. You got 4 months, and you've got 3 good breaks already. All right. Now, when you work at a job, you're not going to get those breaks like that. You're going to work from Monday through Friday, sometimes Saturday, every week. You don't get to take off the holiday weeks and fall break weeks and Christmas breaks like that. You might get Thanksgiving Day off and have to be back to work the next day on Friday. You may get Christmas Eve and Christmas Day off, or if the particular job you have, you may have to work Thanksgiving, you may have to work Christmas, and you may have to work Christmas Eve, and you may have to work New Year's Eve and New Year's Day. Okay, depending on the industry you're in, you're going to have to work. School is not preparing you for work by allowing you to miss so many days. Okay, if you missed 20 days in a year, because you got 10 days in the fall, you got 10 days in the spring, in the spring semester, right? That's 20 days in a year, and then you got all your vacation times and your tardy times. You're not going to miss that much at work. If you miss that much at work, you're not going to have a job. If you miss that much, they don't need you. They hired you to do a job because they needed somebody there that could do the work that was coming in that they needed, that they perform for their customers to make money. And they hired you to do that job. So you've got to be at work and be there and be on time, okay? So that's one of the big things about being a good coworker. Be at work, be on time, don't miss, don't be late. So I'm Brian McClure. I'm the Ford Technical Recruiting Liaison for the Oklahoma Ford dealers, and I help people get jobs as technicians in Ford dealerships. If you or you know somebody who wants a job or would like to talk to me about this and find out some more information, give me a call, 918-928-7433, or email me at fordokptc@gmail.com. This is a good job. This is a good career to be in, pays well, it's got you good job satisfaction, job security. You can do this. I did it. You can do it. You can make a good living at it. And this is no joke. It's a pretty good profession. Have a great day.